Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting and very unusual video for you guys today. I'll be doing a hair, like super mega hair unboxing haul for you guys. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you will know that I do quite a few hair reviews. And yeah, you could say I'm like the master of hair reviews. But yeah, I do get approached by quite a few brands off Aliexpress and also like independent brands, and they always ask me to like collaborate with them. So I'm just gonna give you guys kind of like the behind the scenes look on what happens basically with hair reviews. And if you are trying to get yourself out there to be a hair ambassador, a brand ambassador, because I get sent other things as well, fashion related, beauty related, I'm just basically gonna talk you guys through that. So stay tuned if you are interested. So today I have 10 hair packages I will be unboxing for you guys today. I can't really even like remember what I asked for, but yeah, I'm kind of excited to really like open it and just see the hair textures. I haven't opened any of the hair packages, by the way, guys, so you guys will be opening this with me, and yeah, we'll be literally seeing the hair for the first time together. So I'm gonna start with this one because I've basically already picked it up, and this hair is from Beaufox hair. I'm gonna include the details of each individual hair company in the description box below so that you guys can check them out. Okay, I've opened it, guys, and already I can tell this is a Bodywave texture. So the hair came in the bag, it wasn't boxed, it came like this, nicely packaged actually, and they included 3 eyelashes, which I have to say, these eyelashes are the most annoying thing ever. Like, I get them with every pack and they just get like more plastica with every single package. Like, no one wears these lashes, guys. Like, y'all can throw some minks in there though, I wouldn't complain. But it's always nice that they give a free gift. That's cute. So this is Beaufox's Bodywave texture. They sent me 2 18s, 2 20s and an 18-inch closure. The hair so far is very soft. It is very lightweight, which I tend to actually like my hair quite heavy, because to me when it's more heavy it's more authentic. But yeah, so far so good. The hair doesn't smell, it's very soft. The wave of the hair is very solid. So yeah, I like that. No shedding so far. So this is very cute. It also came with a very cute closure. I think this is a 3-part closure, and the bundle and the closure, the hair is exactly the same feel, the same body, which is very nice. Okay, so on to the next one. I'm just gonna pick them randomly as I go along. So how did I start doing hair reviews? Because I get a lot of emails. So I bought hair off Aliexpress like years ago, so I just decided to do a video. It was so random and the video literally went viral, and since then I've been getting approached by so many companies. So I guess just being genuine and being very true, and also be very professional when doing hair reviews. So if you have some hair that you feel like is doing well or not so well, and you really want to like share it with, you know, the YouTube community, then I definitely say, guys, go ahead and just make sure the video is clear, very precise, and that you're honest, because people are always looking to buy hair and always like want a true honest review. The last thing you want to do is really like just tell a lie and just lie about how a hair's doing just because the brand is paying you or anything, because you're putting people's money and also your name on the line. So just be very true to yourself. Okay, so the next hair I have here actually came in 2 bags, which is very weird, and they both have my address and everything on it. But this hair I can see is a Bodywave texture. It's really annoying when the company sends you a package and they don't include their name. Like, all you have to do is just put your company's name in the package. So I'm actually not sure which company sent this hair. And another thing I realized, if you guys do order hair a lot of the companies do seem to go to the same factory, because a lot of them do have this human hair pink label, 100% human hair. It's exactly the same and exactly the same hair. A few companies do go to the same factory, so that's a bit of a question mark for me, and I have no idea which brand this is, so what a waste. But if I do find out which brand this is, I will put it on the screen. And this is how the hair looks. Very nice hair, but once again very lightweight. I do like my hair to be a bit heavy, so yeah, but so far so good. Very bouncy.
Unfortunately, we have no idea who sent there. Very unprofessional, actually.
Okay, so the next set of hair is from a company called Beauty Forever, and this is so cliche, but guys, I just opened it and it also has the same pink label. I'm very honest, like I'm a very honest person, so I do apologize to these companies if they do feel this is like bad publicity, but yeah, this is definitely from that same, I don't know if it's exactly from the factory, but it has the same pink label, so maybe it's just something they all use, I have no idea. So once again, they included the plastic lashes that I won't be using, but thank you guys for the gift. So the hair they sent me is their Malaysian curly. They sent me 4 20 inches and an 18-inch lace frontal. So this hair actually feels really nice. Ooh, the hair is actually quite heavy, which I like. I don't know, maybe it's because, you know, curls do make hair a bit denser, but I do like this. Guys, I will be installing these hairs in future videos, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned to that. But so far so good. I love the fullness and the bounciness of the hair, and I like the fact that the curls didn't come like hard and crispy. So thumbs up to Beauty Forever. Another thing with hair reviews, although they look so fun, these companies can be very brutal and very rude if you're like behind on schedule, which I understand because obviously they are a brand and they are trying to put themselves out there. But you also have to bear in mind that as a brand, you have to keep the person you're working with happy, the person you're collaborating with, and their communication was a little bit hostile, but I'm not bothered by it. I've got tough skin. But yeah, here is their frontal, which is, it's kind of weird that they've clipped it together because this could easily rip the frontal. No, there's a hole in it, but it's not too bad. But yeah, here is their frontal, which I actually really like. I love a frontal that is very long, so it can really fit across my forehead. And the curls are still the same, however the roots of the curls are pretty much straight, which can be a good or bad thing depending on your preference, but so far so good. So on to the next one. This vendor is actually not from Aliexpress. The previous ones have been from Aliexpress, but these brands also do have their own independent hair websites now because of what Aliexpress has been doing, all that palaver. This company is called Lengths of Slayage, and they specialize in luxurious raw Indian human hair, so that is quite exciting. But the only thing with raw hair is that it's so true to its natural state that it can be a bit annoying to work with. But nonetheless, if you are someone who has natural hair, I would advise you to go for raw Indian hair if you want to do a leave out, because it proper blends in with your hair. One thing I will have to say is I didn't really like the way this was all bundled together in a bag. And also the frontal is very strange. Like, look at how, like, whoa, like you could have, oh, it smells a bit funny too. I feel like the frontal is quite small. They could have put like maybe more hair here rather than extra lace, because I'm just gonna cut it off anyway. Like, I'm sure I could use this lace for a veil, I swear. I will have to say the hair is heavy. This is how I know this hair is 100% human hair. It's really heavy. I'll show you the other bundles as well. So it doesn't come in the typical like tied state. This one is more binded. And yeah, the hair is really thick, really full. I actually really like this hair and I am so excited to actually install it. But from what I'm feeling, this hair, you can probably tell, is very silky, whereas this one is very like thick. You can even see it. Guys, you can even tell on the video because I can see it from my viewfinder. They're very different, but I'm sure after a good condition and shampoo you can make it work. So yeah, I really love this hair, and I guess if you're looking for some really authentic raw hair, if you're that type of person, definitely check out Lengths of Slayage. Once again, all their details will be in the description box below. And before I forget, I actually love the fact that Lengths of Slayage actually put their name in the packaging, and they actually had time to actually get a branded box, because this just makes it easier for me as a hair ambassador, and also it just shows like professionalism. It's not the most important thing, but it's like brownie points, isn't it? So the next hair that I'll be unboxing is from VIP Beauty. One thing that I struggled with when I started reviewing hair is pricing, because people would ask me, so how much do you charge to review hair? And I used to get a bit scared and a bit, so my price really tends to vary depending on communication, if the brand is nice, and also their name, because I guess the more popular brands tend to pay more. But roughly, I just base it off of my subscriber count. I charge like $10 per every 1,000 that I have, which right now would be $160. It's just a rough estimate. I tend to change it, sometimes higher, well really higher, well, mostly lower. If the brand is very kind and they just are budgeted, I tend to work around this. So VIP Beauty Hair sent me 2 bundles of 20 and 2 bundles of 22 and a 20-inch lace closure, I believe, and this is middle part from what I can see. And I absolutely love this already. The curls are so tight and the bundle just seems just well put together. This hair is very lightweight, but I'm not mad at it. Oh, by the way guys, the hair that I'm rocking is from Mose Luxe. I did a video on this tutorial, so do keep an eye out for that if it's not already on my channel. But yeah, I can totally see this already. Yo, this is, I like this. Yeah, they did really well with this. You guys do give me some hairstyle ideas or colours that you'd like to see me in, because look at all these hair, like I need some inspiration on what styles I should do. And here is the closure. It came with a little card telling you the deets, which is lovely. And here it is. Oh, there's a few baby hairs, so you can actually probably make this imitate a mini frontal. And the closure is very thick and full. The curls are the same. So on to the next one. This is from a company called Julia Hair. Already I can tell this is a bot, which I'm ecstatic about. Like, that's already 10 out of 10 for me, because I love it when hair comes boxed. It just shows professionalism. It just shows that they care. And it's like, from the packaging you can already kind of tell a little bit what to expect in the box. So yeah. So when I open the hair, it comes like this. And it comes with the free plastic lashes again. And this is the hair. It comes with the typical pink label once again, which I've realised that a lot of these companies use. So I don't know how that works, but oh my goodness, this hair is very, very soft. So this is their straight Peruvian hair. They sent me 4 bundles of 20 inches and a 20-inch middle part closure. And the hair is so soft. However, I do have to say this hair really mimics the Unice hair that I have. The packaging looks exactly the same, like everything, the smell. So, but that hair is literally one of the best hairs I've tried. I really love that hair. So yeah, I'm very happy with this. And this is the 20-inch closure, which is true to length, and it's a 3-part closure. And I love the fact that they've clipped it to keep it in shape. The closure is not that full, however, but the shape of it is really nice. And I am excited to turn this into a unit. I feel like it will look really bomb. So the next hair that I have to share with you guys is from My Lisa. This is their Malaysian straight. I've worked with My Lisa before. The hair I received before was okay, it wasn't the best. So they sent me their straight texture this time, and they've told me that their quality has improved. And from what I can see, this hair is very heavy and it just seems very full. So I'm thinking maybe they have. So I'm actually very excited to install this. This will probably be the one I install first, because I just love it. I feel like this will make such a cute ponytail. And I've never had Malaysian straight hair before, so why not, you know? So I love this. And I really want to show you guys just the body of the hair and how silky it is. And this is the frontal, which, oh my goodness, is really full. The only problem is the hairline is so dense that this literally will be a nightmare to pluck. But I don't know, that means it will last you a very long time though. But I'm kind of over frontals now. Like, they are just so annoying to maintain, to reapply, and it really damages your edges. Not long guys, we have 2 more to go. So this next one is also a box, and you guys know how I feel about boxes. And this is from Luvin Hairshop.com. Okay, show off. This is really pretty. Whoa, they took time and effort to like design this box. Oh, shut the front door, guys, look at this. This is my favorite hair so far, packaging wise. The hair's heavy as well. Okay guys, but are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? If you want to give someone like hair for a gift, this is it. If you want to buy your friend, your girlfriend, your mom, your little sister, your big sister hair, your brothers, listen, this is it. What? This is nicely packaged. The hair feels amazing. Hair smells really good. Yo, this is from LuvinHairShop.com. Girl, just in case you missed it, they put it on the box. Nah, I love it. 10 out of 10 for packaging. Everything nicely laid out, not just stashed in a bag. And they sent me 3 bundles of 20 inches with the 18-inch middle part closure. And this is the closure, guys. Nice and full and really big. I think this may be a 5, probably a 4x5. Lovely, very true to length, very smooth. And this closure is full. Compared to the last one, it is full AF, mate. Look at that. Like, that is the top of a wig right there. This is how you want the top of your wig to look. Okay guys, last but not least is Aligrace, which they literally just sent me this hair a few days ago. So yeah, it's quite cliche that I opened it last. Oh, they included a free beauty blender, not fake lashes. Yay! So they sent me some straight ass hair. And listen, the way this is packaged, I already know this hair is about to be good. And they included a little card with their name, which I really appreciate. So I know this hair is about to be good. They give you a little discount voucher if you give them a 5-star rating, etc. Also some FAQs on how to manage your hair, which I think is fantastic for anyone who's not very sure on how to manage virgin hair. So that means they really care. I love that. And also how to wash, condition your hair. This is rare, so well done, Aligrace. So this is their Brazilian straight, and already I love the fact that they've trimmed all the split ends so the hair is like a blunt cut. I have to say, guys, for the last 2 hair packages that I just opened, I'm very pleased with their packaging. They include literally a label with every bundle, and it's like a beautiful mint green color. This hair is so silky. It's so silky in the sense that the bundle to me is even like quite small, but the hair is very heavy. That means, you know, this could be some good hair. It's like water, like, ooh, this is some really good hair. I cannot wait to try this out and let you guys know how it is, because this could be a steal. And they sent me their Brazilian straight in a 20-inch frontal, 2x20 and 2x22. I'll show you guys the frontal, and here is the frontal, very true to length. And this is like, if you're looking for a frontal, this is like every like frontal hair maker's dream. It's not too full, it's not too thick, and the line is not straight. So if you guys are looking for just a frontal straight away, I recommend this one. From what I'm observing, it's very nice and full. No guys, can we just? No guys, but can we just? This hair is really good. Like, what? I know I've said a few of the hair is really good, but obviously I won't know until I try them and just like play around with them. So guys, do stay tuned for that. And also I'll be doing a video on my top Aliexpress vendors very soon. After I've tested the waters, you know, I will know which one that I like the most. And yeah, but always guys, if you do want to purchase hair, make sure you do your research, watch plenty of videos, both high and low quality. Don't just pick like the most popular YouTubers. Also watch those with less subscribers and less views, because they tend to be the most informative, well, to me anyway. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment as well on what you guys think, and if you like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.